Hello, this is my second electronics project. In the previous project I have developed a simple TCP chat server. In this project I have developed it into something more beautiful. I have added 4 new features. These features are message encryption, token-based authentication, logging, and database handling. So, let's begin. First of all, I want to ask, what is encryption? Encryption is the method which the information is converted into secret code that hides information true meaning. In this project, we have encryption algorithm codes written in C++ to convert client messages into encrypted secret messages. Server does not have the decryption authority, but other clients have. So server can't know what the message contains, but the other clients can understand. The other feature that I want to talk about is token-based authentication. Authentication is the process of recognizing a user's identity. There are a lot of authentication methods, but in this project I've used token-based authentication. It simply works like this. When user sends the right username and password, server will generate a token that contains a timestamp. This timestamp is the last date which client connection can endure. Server always checks for this timestamp if it's still valid. If it's not, connection with the client will be cut. Logging is simply to save everything that goes on in the server to a log file. In this way we can observe what errors occur in the server, so we can solve these errors easily and manage our server more easily. And the last feature is database handling. A database is an organized collection of data. We can organize data into tables, rows, columns, so it gives us the opportunity to manage our data more easily. There are many database programs like MySQL, Sybase, Oracle, MongoDB, Informix, SQL, PostgreSQL. In this project we have used SQLite because it's written in C and C++, so it's suitable for our project. So let's use our program. First we need to start the server from this command line. Now we can connect. We want to register username 1 2 3 4 passwords, and as you see I registered to the server. But before we start to messaging between clients, I want to show you how we handled the database. Database is here, and so as you see I have 2 tables, and one for is message history, one for is the registered users. We have registered a user. Let's see if it's really registered. As you see, the username and the password here is a hash function, so server can't know what the user's password really is, and user can log in their accounts with that password. As you see, I've logged in with 3 different clients, and all the information is here in the server. So I will use these commands. First, list command. When I enter, it it will give me the online or connected other clients on the screen. So client 2 is at socket 8, client 3 is at socket 10. The number 2 and 3 is for the usage for send function. So I will send client 2 a message from me, and client 2 is here. As you see, the a message from me message appears clearly, but in the server side it is encrypted message, but the other client can decrypt it with decryption and encryption algorithms. So when I hit history commands, all of the earlier messages will come to me. So let's take a look at the server database. Yes, it's opening. So it's message history, but it's, as you see, it's encrypted in the server side. The data server holds the server database, and it holds the messages as encrypted. So when client requests the history messages, it sends the encrypted messages, and clients can decrypt it with their own codes. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching.